Hello, today Vegetarian Keto Rocks brings you a recipe of espresso coffee, and if you are on intermittent fasting, it will not break your fast and it will go with the keto diet also. So here are my ingredients. I'm using this Nescafe Taster Choice instant coffee, and I'm using stevia extract, and I'm using whipping cream instead of milk because it's totally fat, and you can use any other supplement also, sugar supplement. Swerve is better than stevia, I guess, because stevia has a tinge of bitterness in it, but at present I have stevia only at home. So I'm using this beater. It's a manual beater. It's very good to make a coffee froth. So let's start with our coffee. Just boil this much of water, like you want to make coffee 1 cup, so take 1 cup of water in a pan, and boil it. At the point of boiling, I am going to add 1.5 spoon of whipping cream. So let's make the coffee. This is like about 1.5 tablespoon of coffee and 1 tablespoon of stevia. Add 2-3 drops of about 1 tablespoon of water into it, and start beating with this beater. This is very good. It is available in Amazon and it's very reasonable price. Just beat this with about for 3 to 4 minutes. Till then, add whipping cream into the boiling water, or you can add whipping cream directly to the glass also. If you don't have gas, like in office, if you have only the hot water, you can bring your whipping cream there. So I'm going to add a little bit of cream into it. So as my froth is ready and cream is also boiling here, I'm going to put this in my cup. And here comes my cappuccino espresso coffee is ready. So here's your coffee is ready. Hope you like this video and have a great coffee in the lazy hours. Bye bye.